Hello, my name is Maria de Souza. I am a Feldenkrais and a yoga teacher, and I focus my work on posture, not only because posture makes you look good, elegant, and boosts your self-confidence, but also because good posture keeps pain away. Something that you might not realize is that most of these ailments and conditions that people suffer with are a result of misalignments and imbalances in the body that we all create as we go about life. And once you start realizing that, and once you start addressing and correcting all these misalignments and imbalances, it's when you start seeing a shift in your health, physically and mentally. So today I'm coming to you with something that might feel a bit trivial to you, but for me it's very important because anything I do in my daily life, I pay attention that I do it with good posture, that I'm not straining the body unnecessarily or I'm doing more wear and tear than it is necessary in the body. And this, what I'm going to show you, is one of those things that helps you to adapt that roundness in the body, like thousands of other things that go with it. So this is one of the things. I've shown you so many things already. I send weekly emails with content all about how to take care of your body, how to have good posture and how to prevent all that unnecessary wear and tear. So if you have been following me and if you are on my mailing list, so you have learned a lot already. But I'm always looking for a new thing. So I've seen my boyfriend doing this the other day and I thought, I need to do a video about this because this is very important because we do it every day. So, slippers. Oh, this applies to any shoes. It depends how you put your shoes on. Now, slippers. The other day I observed my boyfriend getting home, putting the slippers on, and how did he do it? Okay, that's not the right way of doing it. You're creating the roundness in the back, straining the body, straining the pelvis, straining the neck and the back. Now, how do you do it correctly? By doing it the way I'm going to teach you, not only you are protecting your back, preventing all of that unnecessary strain and wear and tear in the body, but also you are practicing and getting better at balance and also building core strength. I use anything during my daily life to get fitter and stronger, and this is one of the things I do. I practice my balance and I build core strength just by doing this action. One action I do a lot of things, a lot of good to my body. So how do I put the slippers on? With good posture to prevent all that wear and tear. So I come down with a long spine, I grab my slipper and cross, and look what I'm doing here. I'm practicing my balance, I'm improving my balance, which is very important for life. Balance is very important for life, and as we get older, balance is one of the things that goes. So I'm improving my balance, practicing my balance, and all there is a lot of work going on there on my core, building core strength. And then the other one. So how many times do I do this a day? Many times. So every time I'm improving my balance, I'm building strength in the core. So there is a gym everywhere you look. There is a gym. There is an opportunity for you to get fitter. improve your balance. So grab any of those opportunities to do that, so that you don't need to worry to go to the gym. There's nothing go to the gym, nothing wrong going to the gym if it's something you like, of course. But every single opportunity during your day, when you're out and about, there is an opportunity to get stronger, to keep fit. This is one of the things that I do every day. And the other day I was thinking about that, and I thought, by doing that, I am working on my balance, I'm improving my balance, and I'm also keep building core strength, which is very important. So this is the tip for you today. If this was helpful, give me the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you are on my mailing list, you'll receive more tips. If you aren't, the link is below in the text, so you can sign up for my mailing list. And if you have comments, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at a next video. Bye bye now.